Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you where you can easily find the recently deleted photos in your iPhone 17. At first, go straight to the photos, the gallery actually, and now tap collections over here. Here scroll all the way down. Now in utilities you should see recently deleted. It's by default set to Face ID and passcode, but you can tap view album and enter your passcode here. Wait a moment, we need to do this by our passcode, and as I can see, we can't enter here with our passcode. Enter passcode. Finally, now we can type our passcode and let us in to the recently deleted. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.